What the f do I do with it now? We are at the farm, per usual. Today's project, before the sun goes down, is ripping out this old playpen for the goats, and then their enclosure right there, which had a light and an AC unit. I at least know that the prior owner's goats were comfortable, and that gives me peace. We're gonna now rip them out. We're gonna take out all this grass and shrubbery here with the zero turn and clean it up. I'm super pumped to see how things are coming together. The barn is what I'm most excited for. I mean, we've really prettied up the back of the property by taking out some of the fencing, opening it up. I'm not rushing anything. I know there's decades worth of projects out here. For now, while the weather's still incredible, we're gonna be utilizing all the time we can outside in this comfortable weather and prettying up this place, the land of my dreams. So thank you for watching. Tune in weekly. We're gonna have a good time ripping this shit out. I mean, it's like I'm a kid. We get to play with bulldozers and backhoes and tractors and demolish. What more could you ask for? Today we're gonna be ripping out Cody's children's house. He may... Today we're gonna be ripping out the goat enclosure, the play pen for the goats. We'll see what other things come up. There'll probably be other things that come up, and we're gonna get to it. Any last words?
Just that I'm excited to tear some stuff up with the tractor.
It's always a fun part. Dude, you don't want these clubs? Does it help if I crush it? Come on. Holy shit! What the f do I do with it now? Look at this thing, huh? You can turn it upside down. Felt good. Oh, yeah. Woo! Like butter. Like butter. She out of gas? Ooh. Woo. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yes, sir. Nice, Cody. We got Cody going in on the final two structures, and then after that, we just have cleanup. First week in November projects are gonna be taking this chicken coop out for relocation, scrapping this and taking down this wall here. So it will be all open space, and that's gonna need to be taken out before the concrete gets poured on the bottom. We're also ripping out all of these stables. So stay tuned for the next couple weeks vlogs. We're ripping out all of these stables. We just cleared out the side, and this is a project I'm excited for. So subscribe, turn on the post notifications. I'll see you in the next one.